Braden Matthews, VIVFORCE, vehicle EDC still, but this is a little bit different. Now we're going to leave the vehicle. We're heading to Wally Whizzle to grab some items for a barbecue that we're headed to. So first thing we want to do is we want to make sure that we got the proper mindset. Our situational awareness package is able to be switched on so that we can be effective for not only ourselves but for others. Then what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, what gear do I need to bring? Okay, I don't need to go into my large gear kit in the back. I'm just going to come in here. I'm just going to grab my personal and I'm going to throw it over my shoulder and then I'm good to go. That kit combined with the training I have makes me effective in a certain range. So if something goes down in the store and it's within your skill set and within the gear that you have, involve yourself possibly. If not, egress the store, know where the exits are when you're in there, know where you are in relationship to others in the store. Make sure you've got no earbuds in, you've got no sunglasses on, no cool guy stuff, so that your eyes, ears are switched on and you can be effective if you need to. It's Braden Matthews, EDC vehicle style. The more you know, the more you grow.